Morning everyone, day 23 of our little challenge. Today is going to be pretty similar to yesterday. It's going to be our second component of our screw jack. This is going to be the spindle. Okay, and this component is going to focus on some more thread work, some more identification of like holes. Also going to be looking at stuff like some more angles, some circles with references to tangents, again working on the chamfer tool. So let's have a look at this one. So this is today's one. This is the spindle. Okay, nice little component, 105 wide. Again, it's got some tapped elements to include. We've got a reamed element which has got a tolerance of HH, and there's a couple more 2.5 type chamfers. Orthographic projection. Don't need to section view today. There's no internal detail apart from the little 6 diameter hole, but we can see that nice and clearly. So. Have fun with this one. Let me know how you're getting on with the comments. Keep them coming in. Cheers. This will take me about 8 minutes.